In this video, we'll show you what to do if your Samsung Galaxy phone is not vibrating for calls and notifications. So to fix this, first head to the settings app. Now go to sounds and vibration. Now here you need to ensure that this vibrate while ringing toggle is on. Next, go to call vibration and then select a different vibration pattern from here. Make sure it's not set to silent. So you can select any of these options. Now go back to the previous menu, go to notification vibration and do the same here as well. Select any vibration pattern and see if it works. Next, you need to go to this system vibration and make sure this vibration for touch, dialing keypad and Samsung keyboard is on. You can also enable vibration for camera feedback. Next, go back to the previous menu and go to vibration intensity. Now make sure that vibration intensity is not set all the way to low. So make sure it's on the higher side. Now once you have done this, your Samsung phone should vibrate as usual. However, if nothing else works, you can test your Samsung phone's vibration motor. For that, open the phone app, go to the keypad tab. Now type in *0*# and you will see this menu. Here you need to select this vibration option and your phone will vibrate. So this will help you check the vibration motor. However, if your phone doesn't vibrate, it means there is an issue with the vibration motor and you will need to get it repaired.